Today's video regarding HP NY6052 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan with this printer. So I'm going to start with the copy. Switch on the printer and load A4 size sheets at the bottom paper tray. Now open the top scanner lid as we are going to do the copy. And here we place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner and close the lid. On the display panel you see there are two buttons, one is flashing in the color and one is just in the white color, and we can just click the color one. It will show up here if you want one copy. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning. So I'm going to use a very simple method. I'm going to use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi direct system, and if you have already connected to the Wi-Fi, even then you can use it. So simply go to the HP Smart app, and to do the Wi-Fi direct, just we have to print the printer information page so that we can use the password of this printer. So click on the information button once, and it will send a command for the printer to print the printer information page. Here we can see the printer information page is available, and on this place you will see there is a Wi-Fi direct icon, and below that is the name of the printer and its password. Go to your iPhone or any other device you have, open the Wi-Fi setting and look for the printer's name. Once you click it, it will ask a password. So just click on the password here, enter the password and click on the join button. You will see the printer is connected. Now open the HP Smart app. So in the HP Smart app we need to add the printer. So click on the add button. On the next screen we see the name of the printer again. Click on that. Instantly it will add up here. Now the first thing I'm going to show you how to do the wireless scanning. So you will see there is a printer scan option here. Also the scan option is here. So we just click it once. Now place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid and click on the blue icon. So it will start the scanning process. So here we can see the scanning is finished and the page is transferred here. Now if you want to do the multiple scannings, you can do that. So just open the top scanner lid and place a second page facing downwards on the left hand side. Click on the plus button, click blue icon again. Now it's going to scan again. So overall this is a very good feature. You can use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system if you don't have a home or office Wi-Fi. Even then you can do the wireless printing and scanning. So here we can see the scanning is finished again. We have two pages here. You can also save it, or if you want you can share it. So click on the save or share button. On the next screen you can select the name of the file, you can change it, you can select the format, for example JPEG, PDF. So once you select it, go back and click on the share and save button. It will give you option where you can go and save it to HP Smart app, or if you want you can save somewhere else as well. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless printing. So we go back, go to the home page and click on the print document section. Here we can select a file from Dropbox, Google Photos or any file we have, and then click on that file. Now click on the print button. So here we can see it has sent a command for the printer. On the next screen we can select the page we want to print. On the next page just click on the print button and it will send a command for the printer to print the page. So overall I can say it's very easy to do the copy, print and scan with this HP NY6055 all-in-one printer. Also, you can use the inbuilt Wi-Fi direct system of this printer, and that will be very convenient for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.